Charcoal grill. This classic design relies on burning briquettes or lumps of carbonized wood to create intense, radiant heat for cooking food. The origins of cooking over open coals date back to the earliest human settlements, serving as the most fundamental method of preparing meals for thousands of years. However, the modern backyard version took its recognizable shape in the mid-20th century. In 1952, a metalworker named George Stephen was working at a metalworks in Chicago, where he was tasked with manufacturing marine buoys. Frustrated by the flat, open braziers of the era that offered no protection from the wind or rain, he cut a buoy in half, added some air vents, and fashioned a domed lid. This invention created the iconic kettle shape that revolutionized outdoor cooking by allowing heat to circulate and trapping smoke inside the vessel. Food cooked this way absorbs a distinct, rich, and smoky flavor that many culinary enthusiasts still consider the absolute gold standard. The fuel itself comes in two main forms. Briquettes are uniform blocks made from compressed sawdust and binders, offering a long, steady burn. Lump charcoal consists of irregular pieces of real hardwood burned down in the absence of oxygen, which burns much hotter and faster. Operating one of these cookers requires a bit of patience and practice. Unlike turning a dial, temperature control depends entirely on managing the flow of oxygen through adjustable metal vents located on the bottom bowl and the top lid. Opening the vents feeds the fire and raises the temperature, while closing them chokes off the oxygen to cool things down. You also have to manually arrange the hot coals, often piling them on one side to create a hot zone for searing and a cooler zone for gentle indirect roasting. This hands-on process connects the cook to the fire in a very traditional, tactile way. Gas grill. Utilizing liquid propane stored in a heavy tank or natural gas piped directly from a home utility line, this option introduced unparalleled convenience to backyard cooking. The concept first emerged in the 1950s, but it gained widespread commercial popularity in the 1960s and 70s as suburban homeowners sought faster, cleaner ways to cook outside after a long workday. Instead of dealing with bags of dusty charcoal, waiting for coals to ash over, and cleaning up the messy remains, a simple turn of a dial and the push of a piezoelectric ignition button provide immediate, consistent heat. This heat is delivered through a series of hollow metal burners running along the bottom of the firebox, which emit controlled flames through tiny ports. This precise temperature control makes it incredibly user-friendly and perfect for quick weeknight meals when time is limited. You can easily set one side to high heat for searing steaks while keeping the other side on low to gently warm delicate vegetables, all without moving any fuel around. While it may not naturally impart the same heavy wood smoke flavor as solid carbon fuels, modern engineering has found ways to compensate. Angled metal plates, often called heat tents or flavorizer bars, are placed directly over the burners. When fat and juices drip from the cooking food, they hit these screaming hot metal plates and instantly vaporize. This creates a cloud of flavorful steam and smoke that rises back up to bathe the food in a subtle, savory taste. Furthermore, these units often come equipped with additional features like side burners for heating sauces, integrated thermometers, and warming racks, transforming them into comprehensive outdoor kitchens. The sheer reliability and low maintenance of this design have made it the most popular choice for everyday outdoor cooking in many parts of the world, offering an accessible entry point for beginners and a reliable workhorse for seasoned cooks. Pellet grill. Combining the authentic rustic flavor of real wood fires with the digital precision of modern electrical appliances, this hybrid cooker represents a significant leap in outdoor cooking technology. The underlying mechanism actually evolved from home heating systems. In the 1980s, during the oil crisis, engineers developed stoves that burned small, highly compressed sawdust cylinders to heat homes efficiently. A man named Joe Traeger, who owned a heating company, realized the same technology could be adapted for cooking food and patented the first model in 1986. The system uses electricity to power an onboard computer and a motorized spiral auger. You simply pour the hardwood fuel into a large hopper attached to the side of the barrel. When you set your desired cooking temperature on the digital control panel, the computer calculates exactly how much fuel is needed. It then turns the auger to feed the small wooden pieces into a central burn pot, where a hot ignition rod lights them on fire. A variable speed induction fan fans the flames and circulates the resulting smoke and heat evenly throughout the cooking chamber, much like an indoor convection oven. If the temperature drops, the computer automatically feeds more wood into the fire, and if it gets too hot, it slows the process down. This automated, thermostatically controlled system makes it exceptionally easy to slow-cook tough, inexpensive cuts of meat like pork shoulders and beef briskets over periods extending to 12 or 15 hours without constantly hovering over the fire to adjust vents or add fuel. Because the fuel is made of pure hardwood, such as hickory, apple, or mesquite, it bathes the food in a clean, consistent, and highly desirable smoke profile. This convenience has dramatically democratized the traditionally difficult art of barbecue, allowing anyone to achieve tender, professional quality results in their own backyard. Kamado Grill. Characterized by its heavy, distinctive egg-like shape, this style of cooker is heavily inspired by ancient Asian cooking vessels made of clay and earth. The word itself translates from Japanese to refer to a place for a cooking range or hearth. For thousands of years, similar ceramic and clay ovens have been used across the globe, particularly in India and China, for baking rice and roasting meats. After World War II, American servicemen stationed in Japan discovered these highly efficient clay cookers and began bringing them back home, sparking an evolution into the modern backyard fixture we see today. Contemporary iterations have abandoned fragile natural clay in favor of advanced, incredibly thick, high-fire ceramics and specialized refractory materials. These premium materials provide remarkable insulation and unparalleled heat retention capabilities. Because the massive, heavy walls absorb and hold temperatures incredibly steady for long periods, very little fuel is actually required to maintain the fire, making it one of the most highly efficient options available. A single load of high-quality lump charcoal can easily burn at a low, steady temperature for 24 hours without needing to be replenished. The airtight seal created by thick felt or fiberglass gaskets between a heavy domed lid and the base further ensures that moisture stays trapped inside the chamber, resulting in exceptionally juicy meats. Beyond fuel efficiency, the physical design allows it to perform an incredibly wide range of culinary tasks. By simply adjusting the top and bottom draft doors, a cook can open it up to reach searing high temperatures of over 800 degrees for authentic steakhouse-style crusts or baking wood-fired pizzas. Alternatively, they can choke the airflow down to hold a gentle, 225-degree heat for slowly smoking ribs. This unparalleled level of versatility and robust build quality has built a fiercely dedicated following among serious outdoor cooking enthusiasts who view it as a lifetime investment. Electric grill. Operating entirely without an open flame, this clean and modern alternative relies on a high-wattage heating element placed directly beneath the cooking grate. It emerged as a highly practical solution for apartment dwellers, condominium owners, and those living in dense urban environments where open fires, combustible fuels, and heavy smoke are strictly prohibited by local fire codes or strict homeowner association rules. Since there is absolutely no combustion of charcoal, wood, or gas occurring within the unit, it produces significantly less ambient smoke, making it safe and legal for use on covered balconies, small patios, and even some well-ventilated indoor spaces. You simply plug the heavy-duty cord into a standard household electrical outlet, turn the variable temperature dial, and the internal metal coils begin to glow red-hot, transferring heat directly to the cast iron or stainless steel grates above. While purists often point out that it completely sacrifices the traditional fire-roasted taste and the extreme, aggressive high heat generated by natural solid fuels, it offers profound advantages in accessibility and convenience. There are no heavy propane tanks to refill and haul back from a hardware store, no bags of charcoal to store in the garage, and no messy ash to scoop out and dispose of after the meal is finished. Furthermore, the temperature remains incredibly stable and uniform across the entire cooking surface, largely eliminating the frustrating hot and cold spots that can plague poorly designed traditional models. To help mimic the authentic backyard experience, many people choose to wrap a small foil packet of damp wood chips and place it near the heating element to generate a wisp of aromatic smoke over time. Ultimately, this specific design provides a highly reliable, low-stress way for millions of people to safely enjoy the fundamental pleasure of the outdoor cooking experience in environments where traditional methods are simply impossible to operate. Flat-top grill. Often referred to simply as a griddle, this expansive design features a solid, continuous surface of rolled steel or heavy cast iron instead of traditional open metal grates. Though it has long been an essential, heavily relied upon staple in the bustling kitchens of commercial diners, fast food restaurants, and teppanyaki steakhouses, it has only recently migrated in massive numbers to residential backyards. The design is elegantly simple but incredibly effective for a wide variety of meals. A series of powerful gas burners sit directly beneath the heavy metal plate, heating the thick steel slowly and evenly across its entire width. The most significant advantage of this solid surface is its remarkable ability to handle an incredibly diverse array of foods that would instantly be ruined on a traditional grate setup. The solid barrier completely prevents small, delicate, or liquid foods like cracked eggs, hash browns, fried rice, chopped vegetables, and thin, flaky fish fillets from falling through the cracks and being lost to the fire below. Heat is distributed broadly and uniformly across the large, flat metal expanse, allowing the cook to easily establish different temperature zones. You can rapidly fry bacon on one extremely hot side while keeping a tall stack of fluffy pancakes warm on the cooler side, allowing for the simultaneous preparation of entirely different dishes. It is uniquely suited for cooking massive, sprawling breakfasts for large neighborhood gatherings or quickly searing dozens of smash burgers, where the flat metal ensures maximum contact with the meat to develop a deeply browned, flavorful crust. Maintenance involves a specific process called seasoning, where thin layers of cooking oil are repeatedly baked onto the bare steel to create a naturally non-stick, completely rust-resistant coating over time. By moving the kitchen outdoors and eliminating the restriction of open grates, this style has unlocked an entirely new category of backyard cooking.